Hi guys, this is Washabe. This is another unboxing. This is a Seiko box, as you can see. Very nice black box. Something new. I've never seen this type before. But here we go. Let's see. We open the box. It's a Seiko 5. This is the main watch box. Seiko 5 Sports. It flips over. Over here. This is it. This is the SRPG29K1 Seiko 5 Sports. Here's the military style face date. Anyway, I will do a full review on this watch soon. Oh yeah, if you want to see what else you get in the main transport box, of course you have the receipt, you have the guarantee document, as well as the manual. So standard. Anyway, give us a thumbs up, follow the channel. We'll do a review on this one soon. Just to look out for it. Bye bye.